What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to analyze your metrics during the testing phase. Now, there's going to be a couple things that we're going to be doing, such as setting up the right columns. We're also going to be checking the right demographics and the audience that we need to be looking for, and then what you need to be doing after you check and analyze your whole data. Before we actually get into the content, guys, if you haven't joined the Telegram Mastermind chat group, I'm going to pull it up on my screen here. We have some guys that are making some sales in progress already. So we have one member in here. His name is JW. He's hit $424 in 11 days. That is really awesome, especially if he's been implementing everything that he's been doing in the course. And then if we look over here, here is a screenshot of a store that I've been implementing this link to go strategy as well. So things are gonna start ramping up, especially as we get closer to the end of this course. And so make sure, if you want to get the full experience, make sure you join the private mastermind group in the link in the description. All right, so the data that we're gonna be looking over in our ads manager is this store right here. So far, we've hit $219 in sales today. If we look back into this whole course period, starting on the 25th that we launched our ads, going into today, we hit $802.70. So right when we launched our link to go strategy, guys, we had no sales on the first day, and that's most likely when people usually quit. And you gotta stick to the progress. You gotta stick to the course, guys. And so the next day we hit $27.95. Not crazy numbers, but the next day we did hit $174.96. It's gonna go down. Facebook is just wild, okay, right now. So we hit $19.99, and then after that we hit our high of $119.93. Then we had no sales the next day. Facebook, like I said, testing phase is gonna be a little rough. But at the end of the day, as long as you're making profits and progress, you're in the right direction. And then the next day we came back and hit $159.95. Then the next day we hit our high of $219.92. So this is telling me that Facebook is getting used to what the buyers are looking like. They're going out there optimizing our ads. They're going out there finding the clicks, the buyers, the add to carts, the initiate checkouts. You have to stick to the process whenever you're testing your products. So let's go into our ads manager and figure out where these sales are coming from and seeing how we can actually optimize our ads in the future. So the next thing that you're going to want to do, guys, is go into your campaigns, go to your ad sets, and go into the reports and go into create custom reports. So this is where we can actually dive in and see and analyze our ads, which is going to be really awesome. And I'm excited to see where these purchases are coming from. So this is exactly what it's going to look like, guys. It's going to have all your ad sets in here. You can see it has 11 purchases, 1 purchases, 2 purchases. And so right over here, guys, you can, segment all of this by age, gender, country, region. So if I select age, guys, it'll literally tell me what age range these purchases are coming from. So for this product, most of our purchases are coming from ages 25 to 34. We have 2 purchases from 35 to 44. And so our main focus now, running ads in the future could just target 25 to 34 and then start targeting the same similar interests for our future campaigns. All right, so if we look at our gender here, it's pretty balanced. Male is most of our purchases. And so once you do this breakdown tool, I recommend just, segmenting it by one metric at a time. So if you want to look at age, look at that. And then if you want to look at gender, offset age and then put in gender. So if I want to go and see what platform is performing the best for this product, I can see that Facebook has 11 purchases. I have no purchases off of Instagram. So when I duplicate this ad in the future, I can just target Facebook instead of, targeting both. And then I can save a lot more money in the future as well. Now, going into this breakdown tool can really reveal a lot of information, guys. Like I said, everything needs to be organized and segmented. And so once you have the correct ad set names, you know what audiences that you're targeting, and you know the age, the gender, the location, all that good stuff, then you can actually optimize the ads yourself instead of just relying on Facebook. And so what you can also do to even optimize your ads even more is go into the metrics tab right here next to the breakdown tool. You can select even more metrics to look at, guys, and they have a whole bunch that you can go through, and they're all organized and segmented by their own category. So you have engagement. So basically, engagement is self-explanatory. Are they engaging with your ad? And so if you want to see if people are engaging with your page, you can select that. You can keep going with this. If you have a video ad and you want to see if they're watching 100% of your video, you can select that, and that could pop up into your metrics as well. Once you find an ad set that's performing well for you, there's a difference between just duplicating it and duplicating it with an optimized ad set. What's going on, guys? I had to stop the video very quickly here since we reached the end of the video, but today's the 4th of February. We've hit $279 in sales today. I think that is our high if we go back to when we started this challenge. Well, not necessarily this challenge, but this course. Let's do the 25th to the 4th. And we've grossed about $1,452 in a matter of a week. That is some crazy growth right now. And like I said, we've hit our high today at $279. And so what we're doing here, guys, is all about optimization and sticking to the course. You need to be patient within Facebook, especially when you're testing out your products. Everything that I taught you guys from the beginning of this course, from day 1 all the way to day 7 or so, when we're doing our product research, you know, there's things that have to be laid out so that you mitigate the risk of the amount of products that you're going to be testing in the future. You know, in our case, we tested about 2 products. Our second product was our winner, and it's all about the fundamentals of doing the same strategy over and over again. And these are the results that have come from those type of procedures that we've been following in this course. And so what you guys learned in this video, specifically on the metrics that you need to be learning and reading, this $1,400 can literally quadruple, or it can literally 10x the income that's going to, you know, bring in for this Shopify store. And so all of the things that we're learning in this course, especially today's video, can set ourselves up in the future to bring in more money. And that's what I'm really looking forward to, especially as we wind down this course. You know, we have about 14 to 13 days left in this course. So all you guys need to do is learn and implement, learn and implement. And again, I am not no guru or financial advisor. So like I said, this has worked for me, and you guys can replicate. I'm giving you guys all the keys literally for free on my channel. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update video on the course for the Shopify store. I'm going to talk a little bit more about this in my next video. So if you want to, you know, be in tune with that video, make sure you hit the notification bell for that. All right, so back to the video. And so if you made it this far in this video, guys, and you do not want to miss out on my next video, make sure you hit the notification bell, because there's a lot of people that have not got these videos, and these videos are filled with free information that you probably won't find on the internet for free, guys. So if you want to get notified for those videos that are about to drop, make sure you hit the notification bell. And in my future videos, I will be dropping my February list of products that you should be advertising in 2021. That video is going to be a banger, because I love doing product research. There's nothing better than finding products that have potential to make me a lot of money. And so for me to, you know, give you guys that inside information of products that, you know, potentially could change your life, I think that's going to be, you know, worthwhile for me. And so make sure you share this video so that more people can get access to this free course. And I will see you guys on the next course video in the Ecom Lab.